Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. First of all, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Let's get started. First I will show you that I have not enabled dark mode as of now in my Windows 10. I will go into Windows Explorer and you can see this is in light mode. So let's see how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 using this simple method. First what you need to do is go to Windows Search and type in Themes. So once you type in themes, the first option which it comes is theme and related settings. So once you are in this window, click on the theme and related settings and go to the theme and related settings. So this will open the theme settings where you need to find an option called color. So make sure you click on color. Once you click on color, this will open the color window where you can see an option called choose your color. In this drop down, you need to click on dark so that it will apply dark theme to make a dark color to my theme. As you can see, now the color is in dark color. So this is how you can apply dark color to your theme. So this use of transparency effects is very much simple. If you disable it, you cannot see the windows behind it. If you turn on, you can see the windows behind it. So this is a basic use of transparency effects. And choose your accent color. This is basically in blue color. If you want to choose any other color, you can choose it using this automatically pick, or you can use currently check any of the colors which you want to use. So the Windows color is same and you can use the custom color for your Windows. So the below two button are using for taskbar and title bars. So if you check on taskbar, it will show the blue color or the custom color whichever you are choosing in the taskbar, and the same applies to title bars and Windows bar. So this is the basic use of these two checkboxes. So once you confirm your color, then what you need to do is turn on the dark mode. So this is the basic view, and now I will show you that Windows Explorer is in black color. As you can see, it is in black color, and this is how the theme will be applied in the Windows 10. So now but one thing is, if you go to Google, and as you can see it is in white color but not in dark color, and if you type in something and search it, you can see the search page is also coming in white color. So I'll search it and show you. So I'm going to search in game and I'll search enter, and this is how, and this you can see right, this is also in white color. So if you want to know how to turn this to black color and how to enable dark mode in Chrome, do watch the video up to know how to do that. So thanks for watching.